guys, this is Some Baker and welcome to my channel. And I'm back again, and this time I'm going to show you what's inside the box of the Nutri. Not the Nutri, but it's like a similar one, but it's a different brand. And I get this one for £25. It's in a promo, and it was originally 45 quid, so which is really good. And for people that would like to do some juice, like with vegetables or with their fruits, or make other stuff, you know, like for if you need something for blender, you can use as well this one. And like what I said, this is in a promo, £45 original price, and we get it for £25. So all you get is this one, guys, and it's called the original magic bullet. It's called this one, and as you can see in the front, you can see vegetables and fruits there that you can use with the bullet. And it says in there as well, does any job in 10 seconds or less, so which is good, guys. So if you're like a busy person and just want to have a quick drink, so this is one for you. And here as well, you can use, it says in here, your personal kitchen assistant. You can use it for chopping, for mix, for blend, for grate, for grind, and ferments. Look, guys. And you can use as well, you can use this for making hummus, grated cheese, ground coffee, salsa, pesto sauce, guacamole, smoothies, and cocktails. And you've got there the website as well, www.nutrifamily.co.uk, and I'm sure you can get more tips in that website. So yeah, it's really good, this one. And you've got 11-piece set, as you can see in the side. So we should have one stainless steel cross blade, one tall cap, one short cap, plus one comfort ring, 10-second recipe book, user guide, one stay fresh resealable lid, and one steamer shaker lid, one high torch power base, one flip top lid, and one party mug and comfort lip ring. There you go, guys. So we've got 11 pieces, but if you can see, we have already opened it just to check that everything is inside, because like what I said, it wasn't a promo, although it was sealed, but you never know. So we checked it as soon as we get home. That's why it's open. But anyway, I'll show you what's inside. So yeah, so it's inside. It says there on the side of the box that you'll have the 10-second recipe user guide. So this is good because you've got it in there. And you'll see all the guides that you need when you're making, you know, when you're making fruits or vegetables or whatever, it's in there. You've got the user guide, guys, in there. And that's what you see in the front. And then you'll see in the side as well, electrical safety in there. And then you can see as well, cleaning instructions is in there. You can see as well, save instruction for household use only. And you've got the table of contents, wherein you'll see what you can do, you know, every different things like easy clean. You can have make for breakfast if you want some stuff for breakfast is in there. If you want coffee drinks, if you want smoothies, it's all in there. If you want soup and sandwiches, is there as well, guys. So if you want party dips and appetizers, so that's really good. If you have like special birthdays or occasion, you can use this as well. Ice cold cocktails, there you go, guys. Dinner dishes, dessert, baby food. You can use this as well for baby food. You see? The crazy quick cocktail party as well in there. And recipe index, so that's really good. And look, that one there. What you can do, so that's what you can do with the magic bullet. Yeah, and I've got avocado, so I'm going to use that. And here's the cross blade. It says here, the magic bullet cross blade is great for chopping, blending, mixing, grating, puring, grinding meat, grinding coffee. So which is really good, guys. There you go. I don't know why it's going dark, but there, if you can see. And on the other side, the pulse technique, it will show you as well how to use the magic bullet. The instructions is in there, which is good. And then here is good. You'll see the task, the food, the time that you do it, the technique, and the directions. This is very informative, so it's good. And you have here as well 10-second recipes, guys. If you're like, you want a quick meal or anything, you can do a boiler onion, peeled garlic in jars. You can use that as well. If you don't have time to do some chopping, you can just chuck it in there and it will do the job. Baby carrots, cherry tomatoes, you can use in there as well. And look, it's icon index is in there as well. These are for vegan, gluten-free, vegetarian, kid-friendly and everything. Wow. See, you've got here photos for breakfast. I don't know why you're going dark, but anyway, there. You can make pancake mix. You can make, cupcake mix as well, which is good. Muffins. There you go, guys. You've got recipes and everything, and every variety is in there, and everything that you need. Veggie omelette. You see that for breakfast? Western omelette. That's really good. And for coffee drinks, guys, you have here as well. And you've got different coffee. Banana coffee frappe. That's really good. Almond coffee cooler. You've got that. Coconut mocha. Creamy coconut coffee. Oh, it's a lot, guys. And you've got smoothies as well. So you've got different smoothies. And you can have as well. Oh, I like this smoothie. Green machine smoothie. Or tropical green. That's good. Avocado. Oh, avocado and kiwi is good. We have here as well different kinds of soup, guys. You've got braised broccoli. You can make asparagus soup. It's good. And you've got here, party dips and appetizers. So if you have like a party or a function, you can use this as well to make like a quick hummus. You know, you just chop them all together and just use your magic bullet, and that will be that. You can make bruschetta, angel eggs. Oh, cocktail lovers, guys. You can use it for cocktails as well. You can make different cocktails with that one. You can make frozen margarita. You can make, what else you can make here? You can make as well Boulevard Bellini. Wow. Sky High Manhattan. Strawberry daiquiri. That's my favorite. That is really good. And of course a piña colada. There you go, guys. And you can make as well Mystic Martini. There you go. So it's all in there. You've got all the ingredients that you need, all the instructions how to do them. Just chuck them all in the magic bullet and use this user guide, and you can see everything here. Dinner dishes as well. For dinner dishes, you can use this as well. If you want to make speedy sauce bolognese, there you go, guys. If you want to make pesto, pestos are good. I love pestos. Curry as well, curry sauce. Stuffed bell pepper. Oh, I love that. That's one thing I like to do. So now I can do them quick because you don't need to chop them. You can make as well quinoa veggie patty. That is really good for vegetarians. Desserts. Not to forget the desserts. You can make desserts as well. You have here fabulously fast fruit sorbet. Wow. Chocolate chai seed pudding. There you go, guys. For healthy conscious there. Banana and ice cream. And mini pineapple upside down. Whipped cream. Baby food as well. Those have like infants that needs baby food. And you can use this as well. You can make carrot baby food, chicken and rice, avocado, sweet. So yes, there's many use, guys. The Crazy Quick Guide Cocktail Party. You see? You've got different menu. Cocktail, appetizer, coffee. You've got the menu and everything in there. So you've got like, if you're having like special parties or events, you have some ideas there as well. So this is really good, guys. Party prep and everything that you need. So I like this guide actually. It's very informative. So yeah. And here at the back, you'll see everything in there that I said. Like the hummus, grated cheese, cocktail salsa, coffee, pesto sauce, smoothie, guacamole. All is in there, guys. And yeah, this user guide is very good. I should say it's very informative. And for busy women, like always on the go, like you just want to have a quick smoothie before you go to work, you can just chuck them all in there and then press it. And then once you're ready and you're ready to go out the door, your smoothie is ready. So you just have to grab it. And like what I said, if you want some ideas here, this is a good one for you. You can have even the party prep. So you'll not forget anything because all is in here. They even have like a menu, like if you're having a function or a dinner, you have your appetizer, your main course, and you've got your dessert. Everything is in here, guys. It's really good. And like what I said, for mommies as well, who have like young kids and wants to make some baby food, why not make it your own instead of buying the one in the back? And this is even better because you know what you put in your food. See, it's really good. So yeah, so that's included in the box. And as well, we have here, you see these ones? These are the covers. I've got 3 pieces of the covers. I've got 2, by the way. This is the one with the lid. And this is the one, I think, for the steam. You know, if like for hot food, if you wanted to cool it down, I think this is good. And this one, there's a flip thing. So when you're not finished your drink, you can just use this one and keep it in the fridge, and then you can drink it again when you're ready. So that's good. So you've got these 2. And in the box, right. I can't get it out. Babe, sorry guys, I can't get it out. I need help. Babe, I can't get it out. And I'm making a video. Sorry guys. That's it. And this is what you get. Thank you. And this is what you get in the box, guys. And then you have here, look, you've got everything here in the box. So you've got here that one of the small cup, one. So that's already 4 pieces now. And then we have another one here as well, which it has the blade, as you can see. And this is a bigger box, like, and look. And then you can just remove it and then put your stuff in there, and then voila, that's it. That's it, guys. So that's that. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. It's 11. And then here's another cap. See? That one as well. If you want like on the go, you can use this one. You can just put the lid if you want. Like that. See? See guys? You can just take it with you on the go. So it's really good. For busy people, you can just use this one. And then yeah, and you can just put it in the side of the car or bring it to the office and put it on your table. So there you go, guys. And yet, you know what you're drinking or whatever you're eating. So that's the good thing about it. And then you've got this one as well. Obviously, you've got the cord and that. And you've got the main machine thing. So there you go. And you've got another cover, by the way. And that one there. That's it. That's the base, actually. There you go, guys. And so that's everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we've got 11 pieces, guys. So yeah, so like what I said, this is in a promo at the moment. This was 45 quid, 45 pounds, and now it's only 25. So which is really good. I like what I said. It's better just to make your own. You know, there's a guide as well. So if you're worried like, I don't know how to make a juice, you know what I mean? Or a smoothie. Well, it's easy, guys, because it's all in there. I like what I said. Not just for a smoothie. This is for everything. For chopping vegetables and for making loads of stuff. It's all in there, guys. So it's really good. You know, I should say. And it's a good buy. For 11 pieces for all of this. For for 25 pounds is really good. We save another 20 pounds because it's originally 45. So yes guys, so I'm gonna try that. Until next time, I'm gonna tell you how we get on with it, how it works. But now we just show you the unboxing and just to show you what's inside the magic bullet. So yeah, so if you're after a good gadget for your house and for your cooking, I think this is a good buy, guys. So yeah, so I hope you like this video, and if you have any question, put it in the comment down below. But obviously don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again for my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye. Thank you. Bye.